But we are not really that divided. Party afur mokas kamnama. Warri birabar la koisan wedu tikate la party dura kaba. Be critical of your leadership, but also appreciate some of the little things we do. Wantote dura tulu banna ba ejir. Amma Oromo bokumala jira chalatti. The haves and the have nots. Warro ango kabate wasama jirufi wajesa jirufi warra jefama jirufi sama jiru. Bakumala jira is the haves and the have nots. Classic finish of jira chul. Even within that divide, walubanna gudda jira. Walubanna kana chimsa demna. Walubanna heddu sani wajjin. And my job is really to bridge that. Bridge ogangodu sobe olit tarasu kofa zontane provoke goruda. Provoke gode namni uncomfortable te akaso. Pakenya I think I'm again one can egale some months and a half. Within this period, one by age jira be batana ma case. Gafan antara egalu dura biya deketin ture. Jarri angora jirtu amma boda namni utu kunjiru. Olaantummaa arganne diriirfanne akka feene bullaa jechaa ture. Uummanni immoo jara kanan feenu jara kun fitee silaan kufanii maal goona jira kana jee ture. Amma that has changed. We have shaken it. Amma status quo unsustainable akka ta'e hubannaan dhufaa jira. Amma dibeetiin maali amma isin jidduu jiru hedduun biyya alas biyya keessa ka jiru. Dhiiroo sirni kun kufu jira. I'm very happy with that. Because we have to think. Sirna kana boda, sirni dhufu. I think he asked me in English as well. Not to make the mistake about the calculator. I love this discussion. Now we are thinking about the future. We are not just complaining about the present. Now we are concerned. We are thinking. We are deliberating. We are debating about the future. That's what moves nation forward. Kun halasani lalla kara mari kana keessatti halama jirrun tokkon taanu tokko kajawu sanon ta'e wal wachuudha barbaachisa. I don't want you to buy into my ideas. I'm not a preacher and sheikh miti and qeesii miti. Bible ra Quran ra sinitti manjiru. I don't have absolute truths. What I have is ideas, analysis. What I seek from you is to be understood. Not to be accepted. No. To be understood. To provoke you. To promote discussions. Yeah? Kanaaf akka ummatatti waa'ee qabsoo qofaan kan yaaduu qabnu amma. Reefumaa fi waa'ee diinagdee haasa'e. All this struggle, all this is sacrifice. Why alaabaa for Oromiyaa qofa miti? It's about human value. Rakkoo keessa bahu, hiyyummaa keessa bahu, nagaa argachuu, cunqurfamuu keessa bahu. Basically about having a better life for next generation. Hamman fedhe yoo itti fadhe Oromiyaa fi Itoophiyaa qananiitu dimokiraatoftu nagaa qabdu umrii kiyyatti arguun baay'ee ulfaataadha. Let's not kid ourselves. But I don't want my children to grow up under a condition that I grew up under. Mali waaqoon guutuu kan jee. Gabrummaa iddaan buqifna dadhabnu ilmaan itti guddifna. I think anaaf waaqoo guutuu jidduu nama tokko jira. One generation jira. That's not just about his son he's talking about. Yeah? Anis amma ilmaan itti guddisaa deemna jechuudha. The key is to make sure the next generation inherits something better than what we inherited from our fathers. So, senratti hojjetaa deemna. Waa'ee ijoollee biyyoota butamanii naannoo Liibiyaa qofaa miti naannoo Saawudiittis I think Yemanii fi Saawudii jidduu rakkoo baay'ee jira. Namni kun hedduun roorroof lola dheessee deema. Hedduun hiyyummaadha dheessee deema. So we have to tackle this into different phases. Talk of the push factors. Wantoota nama keenya qe'ee isaatirraa buqqaasanii dargaggeessa kana buqqaasanii akka deeman godhan. Roorroo siyaasaas haa taatu. Amma it's a combination of both. Roorroo siyaasaatii fi hiyyummaadha. Ijoolleen tun hedduun amma ijoolleen bosona seentee lolaa jirtu tunis ijoolleen baqattee deemtu tunis many of them are educated. Baratanii jiran barnoota qabanii garuu hojii hin qaban. Hojii qofa osoo hin ta'in qeetti hoggaa galan milishaan hin teessisu. So there's a political as well as economic problems. Hamma dandeenyetti naannoo keenya nageenya akka uumamuu fi carraan hojii akka uumamu irratti hojjechuu tokko. But it's not that easy kun. Hammasii garuu karaa deeman kanarra nagee akka argatan. Rakkoon mootummaa amma jirtu tokko they are so consumed with domestic stuff. Foreign policy irratti uumaan jiran jechuu dandeessa. Diplomaasii itti amanu wabii. Diigee jira. Foreign ministry guutuma diigee jira. Kanaaf embaasiiwwan keenya biyyoota adda addaa keessa jiran biyyoota hedduu irraa qabdi. Itoophiyaa is a huge state, you know. Dhimma kanarratti silaa hojjechuu qaban turan. Dhimma kanarratti hojjechuudhaan mirgi namoota keenyaa bakka deemanitti akka eegamu gochuu. By the way, this abduction for ransom business guddaa ta'e Itoophiyaa keessatti. Warri Liibiyaatti nama qabu kun bar biraanchii Itoophiyaa keessaa qaban. Waan gaarii waan dhugaa jette micoon reefu beeki. Guess what? Poolisiin humni waraanaa Itoophiyaa actively involved in this business, including the politicians. Kan Nyamar keessatti butamus, kan Finfinnee keessatti butamus, kan Liibiyaatti butamus, kan Yemanis butamus. This human trafficking is one line, interconnected. And the payment is done through official banks. Black market idhaan kan godhamaa jiru. What does this tell you? Mootummaan, the state, warri mootummaa keessa jiru actively keessatti hirmaachaa jira jechuudha. Kana expose gochuudhaan. Odeeffannoo qabdan nutti ergaa. Mootummaa Itoophiyaa qofaa wajjin sun mootummaa ollaa wajjin. Human trafficking is an international crime. Interpol wajjin biyyoota adda addaa wajjin irratti hojjechuu dandeenya. Gaafa nu hidhaa turre Arafaatas ture hojii hidhaa turre. Qaallitti keessaa ba'uun baay'ee ulfaataadha. Warri qaallitti keessaa cabsee ba'u hedduun isaanii warri human trafficking keessatti barbaadamu Interpol barbaadu mootummaan Xaaliyaanii barbaadu bakka adda addaati jechuudha. Sun maal siima warra sirna keessa jiru jira. Kanaaf nuti wanni godhuu qabnu wantoota warra akkanaa kana saaxiluudhaan irratti hojjechuudha barbaachisaa. Odeeffannoo akkasiin yoo nu argitan irratti hojjenna. Dhimmi biraa waa'ee the issue about minority rights. Where is my brother? The one who asked me. He left? Oh, you're there. I want to divert the question a little bit. I've been talking about the need to restore, to save the state and restore the state capacity. When you asked me about minority rights, I don't know if it was 6 years ago or 2 years ago, and now the issue has changed completely. Back in the day, the state was too strong and abusive towards minorities. Now the state is too weak to protect minorities. This is very crucial. Back in the day, prior to 2018, probably till 2020, until the war, the state was too intrusive, too abusive towards minorities. Now the state has become so weak, it cannot protect minorities and individuals. The source of repression, the source of killing towards citizens and minorities and individuals back in the day was the state, an authoritarian state. Under Abiy, the state went from autocracy into anarchy, into anocracy. Anocracy is a situation whereby the state is weak but violent, and when with means of violence has gone away from the state, when power is contested. Let's look at Amhara and Oromia region. Much of the killing is blamed either on Fano or on LA. What does that tell you? That tells you the state is unable to provide security for minorities in these communities. That's why I've been pleading with people to focus on saving the state and restoring the state so that we can actually pressure the state to respect individual and minority rights. The question about Shashamane, because this is attached to me as well, I have to answer it. This was not communal violence. What happened in Shashamane? What happened between Walaitas and Sidamas in Hawassa? What happened between Gujis and Gedeos was orchestrated by state agents. I don't know if you heard when the mayor of Shashamane, the former mayor of Shashamane, spoke at the court. This was orchestrated by Abiy and his people, and we were stupid enough to fall for it. Both in Shashamane, Adama, and elsewhere, did people protest? Yes. Was there some mobile violence? Yes. When Highlands Resort was burned in Shashamane, state security was standing and watching. When individual property was burned in Era, the state security was ordered to stand down, not to intervene. Because they wanted to foment, particularly Amhara Oromo violence. Because they wanted to rally the Amharas in their support towards suppressing the Oromos and fighting the Tigrayans. This was manipulated by the state. So it's very important that a state that has reached a level of anocracy is too weak to control violence. But also, when it's weak, it's become mischievous. And particularly these individuals who are in power now, they come from the security branch. They are very weak in political management. For every political problem, they seek security solutions. Remember, when TPLF was recruiting Opidios, Andim, and the southern parties, they picked individuals who can serve them as mercenaries. They never put them in the strategic room. They were always tactical tools. They never put them in the political strategic room. They were always there to manage security. So they are really weak when it comes to political management. Therefore, they always resort to security manipulation. We can talk about this for a long time, but I just wanted to hint you there. About the calculator. The bloody calculator, yeah? Well, brother, you're an engineer, right? Sometimes you create a machine you think is good enough. Eh? You never get it perfect at once. You create a machine, and sometimes the defect could be because of the way you made it or the material you used. And the material you use also depends on what's available to you. I was using what was available to me. But also then you build a machine and you give it, you thought this guy will be driving it, and this guy ended up driving it. So there are factors you don't control, So I thought the machine will be driven by Lamma and Gaabbuu, and this guy ended up driving it. You gotta blame God, not me on that one. I tried to correct that mistake, but you guys were not listening. I said, this guy is bad for this machine. I said, this guy cannot drive this car. He's going to drive it off the cliff. You guys told me, you are just jealous. Shut up. I was forced to shut up. I actually felt I was crazy. Everybody was opposing me, including my own siblings. I said, this guy is bad for Oromos, bad for Opidio, bad for Ethiopia, bad for PRDF. Most people said, no, you have done the calculator. Give us the calculator and get out. And I said, okay. I started opposing. You guys told me to shut up. I shut up. Then you guys told me to provide critical support. I went home and tried to. I tried, So, well, about the next calculator. Well, I will choose better material to make it. The next one. And you have to help me. You have to ask these kind of questions so I can improvise and improve it. And you have to pray because at the end of the day, we make the machine and for the sunny days, and then God brings the rain. So, darajeni kase. Amari mal jauh kau mampu. Kabro tersedar jani. Darajah wabai bahasa. Wan sedar ramah tu. Dah sih sun. Apa kam? Nagaya. I can't see far. Ane for the head to pagonar. Dah kan alle beki. Dah is another guy from California. Dardara taati malayati. These are people who raised me, Anjolu man beta dukumni siyasa Oromo hunna kami. You know, I think I was 6 when I first heard the word Oromo. Sani asuman dhiibeen hojjanne moxaarre maal taane ka darajeen jedheefi bakka garaa keenyaan geenyee duubatti hin deebine. Darajeen gaafa eebbifamu mana kiyya dhufu eebba kiyyaa dhufaa ture darajeen gaaf tokko. Osoo dhufu namni biraa tokko immoo inni illeen eebba kiyyaa dhufaa jira. Karaa irratti walitti dhufan. Darajeen kun pro independence miti beek Itoophiyaanis barmu sanu. Garuu where are you from jennaani Itoophiyaa dheen kun. Where in Itoophiyaa jennaani Oromiyaa dha darajeen. Midden Oromiyaa kun jennaan de Itoophiyaa si fudhadhee Oromiyaan harkaa fuutaa de. We went through a lot of stuff, but akkamitti as geenye ka jedhu, as I said earlier, it's part of the journey, you know. Bakka san irraa so 20 years, you know. Uummata kaan san caalallee ka deemu jira. Eertiraan bilisoomtee alaabaa sii dhaabbattee inni sirbinee barasan. Isaanis bakka garaa isaanii hin geenye jechuudha. Nullee bakka garaa keenya hin geenye. Bakka irraa kaane garuu hin jirru. Amma falmiin akka gaafsanii suufaa amma baay'ee hin jiru, you know. We have moved. Qabsoo keessootu godhaa jirra. Qabsoo keessoo kuma reefu siin jedhe some radiation, but still I insist some surgery will be needed. Xannachi tokko tokko remove godhamuu qaba. Xannachi tokko tokko. Bakka surgery remove danda'amu remove goona bakka hin must ta'e. Where it is must we are going to remove it. Where it is possible we are going to give it radiation. Where is possible, we will use some traditional hada bayi falle warra kaan illee itti kadhanne. Waajawaa hada bayyaan kitaaba keessa barreesse ayyaantu ganda isaaniiti. Sanuma sanii ittiin deemnaa jechuudha. The question from my Eritrean brother. በአማርኛ ላድርገው በእንግሊሽ ላድርገው? The Eritrean question. Is it better in English or in Amharic? እሺ ኤርትራ ላይ ያለኝ አቋም ብዙ ሰዎችን ያነጋግራል። ግን I want to be honest. ኤርትራና የኢትዮጵያ ታሪክ ረጅም ነው። ብዙ ደም አፋሷል። ኤርትራና ኢትዮጵያ ሁለት ሀገረ መንግስት ሆነዋል፣ ሁለት ስቴት። ግን አንድ ማህበራዊና ኢኮኖሚያዊ አንድ ማህበረሰብ ነው፣ እንደ ኢኮኖሚም እንደ ማህበርም። Don't make mistakes. ይሄ ሶቨርኒቲ ምናምን የሚባለው ነገር ረገብ ማድረግ ያስፈልጋል። የኤርትራ ኢኮኖሚ የኢትዮጵያን ገበያ ማርኬትና ፕሮዳክሽን ያስፈልገዋል። የኤርትራ ኢኮኖሚ የኢትዮጵያ ኢኮኖሚ ደግሞ suitable ሲ አክሰስ ከኤርትራ ጋር ነው የሚሆነው። ሶ የሁለቱን ሀገሮች ሉዓላዊነት ከዚህ በፊት በተሰሩ የተለያዩ ስህተቶች የመጣ ስለሆነ ሉዓላዊነቱን መቀበል አለብን። ነገር ግን የማህበራዊና ኢኮኖሚያዊ ትስስሩን ልንበጥሰው አንችልም። 60-70 ዓመት የተደረገው ጦርነት ያልበጠሰው ማህበራዊ ትስስር መበጠስ አይቻልም። ብዙ ጊዜ ሰዎች ይቃወሙኛል። ኤርትራና ኢትዮጵያ መካከል ያለው ግንኙነት በኢትዮጵያና በሱዳን መካከል እንዳለ ግንኙነት ማየት ስህተት ነው። These are two states, same society, similar society. We need Eritrea, Eritrea needs us. Let's be very honest about this. ኤርትራና ኢትዮጵያ ስንል ኢሳያስና አብይን አይደለም ማየት ያለብን። የኤርትራን ፒፕል እና የኢትዮጵያን ፒፕል ማየት ያስፈልጋል። ሶ ስናስብ በተለይ ለልጆቻችን ለሚቀጥለው ጄኔሬሽን ስናስብ አሁን ያለው የፖለቲካ ውጥረት እስካሁን ያለው የፖለቲካ ውጥረት የሚረግብበትን መንገድ እየፈለግን የኢኮኖሚ ኢንተርዲፔንደንሱን ማጠናከር ነው። ለምሳሌ ለውጥ ሲመጣ ለውጥ ሲቀርብ የውስጥ ብቻ ሳይሆን የኤርትራን መንግስትና የኤርትራን ምሁራን ነው የቀረብ ነው around 2017 የኢትዮጵያ ለውጥ ዳይሬክትሊ የኤርትራን መንግስትና የኤርትራን ህዝብ ኢምፓክት ስለሚያደርግ ለውጥ እየመጣ እንደሆነ